Hey, what's up, Florida? My name is Timothy Robert Smith. I'm coming at you from Los Angeles. Thank you guys for coming to the mural unveiling. Here we have a piece that I did with my assistant, Emily Bertucci, in 6 days. And this piece is called Beach Scene on Building with Windows. It's reference photos that I took myself of my friends dancing around the beach, around a fire pit. My big thing is perspective, right? So I'll do things from like very strange angles and try to make it fit. And sometimes the angles will shift. I love doing things from really strange angles. Kind of disorient. This piece that you're looking at, where you are. Hope you enjoy this piece. It's all done with brushes and rollers, mostly brushes, and acrylic paint. We used Amsterdam acrylic paint that was provided by the company. Thank you guys so much. You guys are awesome. Also, thank you to Laura for making this whole thing happen. And then Galen Todd, you're awesome dude. You helped me out so much. I put together like a B-roll of like time-lapse footage and different other projects that I've done, so you can check that out. All right, take care.
Demo.
This is the planet Earth, newly born, and cooling rapidly from a temperature of 6,000 degrees to a few hundred in less than 5 billion years. Heat rises, heats the atmosphere, clouds form, and rain pours down upon the hardening surface for countless centuries. The rest